friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and we today are going to be making a gratitude jar. So this one says thankful and it has a cat. So I will show you how I made my gratitude jar. Come join me. So the kit that you picked up at the library has in it a jar, some paper, and a label. I got a cat. There are also other designs. So depending on which kit you picked up, you'd get a different label. And all you're gonna need for this is coloring materials. So I'm gonna choose colored pencils. You may also want a regular pencil to write down what you're thankful for on your slips of paper. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to decorate our label. And then the next thing, we'll peel it off. So take the backing off. And wherever you'd like to put it on your jar, go ahead and stick it on. There you go. Now, uncap the jar. Write down what you're grateful for. All different things. You can even decorate, if you wanted, your little slips of paper, and then put them in the jar to remind you what you're thankful for. Every now and again, you can take them out and you can read them and again, remember what you're thankful for. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, my friends. Please remember to clean up, put your materials away. If you're not using all of your scraps of paper, you can store them inside until you're ready. All right, nice job, friends. So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your gratitude jar. And for doing this activity, build is the code word. If you enter build into your Beanstack account, you'll get extra points. So B-U-I-L-D, build. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. I'll see you next week.